To find and view saved passwords on your iPhone, first we'll find the Passwords app. You can swipe down and use the search to find it, or just locate it on your home screen. Authenticate with Face ID to view the app, and here you can check all the passwords that are saved on your phone. Tap All, and you'll see a list of all your passwords. I recently formatted this phone, so I don't have a lot of them saved here. Tap any app or website, and you'll see the username and password that's saved. My password is removed here for privacy reasons, but you'll see yours in a form of dots, or the actual password if you tap it. You can copy it from here, or you can change your username and saved password if you tap the Edit button in the top right corner. In the list view, you can tap and hold any app, and you'll see quick options to copy your username, password, or the website. You can share a password via AirDrop, or you can delete the entry if you don't want that account to be saved on your phone anymore. And that's how you access saved passwords. Click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe to get quick access to hundreds of easy tutorials like this one.